Hi, it's Girly Girl Hairstyles, and in this video, I will be showing you how to retwist locks without using any clips. So, like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. So right here, I am putting on the Mavericks beeswax and the Pro Style gel to moisturize her hair. After I've done moisturizer from the last video, if you go look at my other videos, you will see where I moisturized her hair right before I did her locks. So here I am showing you how to retwist them without using any clips. Asia, she has very dry hair, so I have to really keep her hair real moisturized so that it will not break off. She has real coarse hair because she gets it from her dad. Um, so it's two of them that has the coarse hair. Then I got one that has kind of real fine hair, so I can't put too many ponytails in her hair because her hair will knot up around the bows and break off. So I have to put less ponytails in her hair as possible. But Asia's hair, her hair has been growing really fast since I've been putting the locks in. But also, she has another side of her hair that has just her regular hair out that I braid up in different styles and stuff. So I wanted to see how her hair would grow um, without the locks. So you will see at the end of this video how I kind of styled her hair um, with her natural hair on the side. So right here, you will see that I am retwisting the lock. And when I retwist the lock, I take it to the left, to the right. And then I like kind of make it like a Bantu knot, but just like a half Bantu knot. So right here, it's going to be a Bantu knot right here, kind of. Put my pillow up.
Mommy, look, you falling asleep. You putting your head on your tree.
Head up.
Mommy, look, we have Wonderland. Mommy, look. Wait. Whoa. Look at the clothes. Oh.
Right here, I will be touching up the final twist of her locks. I am almost finished, so you just keep watching. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I'm making a video.
Also, yeah.
Hold your head up.
Mommy, you should leap walking.
Yeah.
See them cowboys? Ah.
I'm sorry about my phone ringing. Excuse me for that. So now I will be twisting the sides up right here, and you will see the final touches when I get done. So you ready for the fair? Here I will be styling Naaja's hair in the front. I think I'm just going to twist the front up and probably throw some ponytails. So just keep watching till the end and you will see my final results. I'm sorry. This is the final touches of Asia's locks. She got twists of her regular hair on the side. This is the side where she has regular hair. And then all the rest is locks. Hold your head up, Age. You gonna look at the camera?